Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods, and I'm in the deer park. I'm leaning against one of my favourite trees, a beautiful ancient oak tree, and I'm catching the sun. There is some heat in that sun, even though it's late winter, and so I'm just basking and making the most of it and having a rest because I am convalescing. I've been laid up for the best part of a week with a bug, nasty bug, and I was laid quite low, and I feel like I've been reborn. It's wonderful to come out into nature again after a week. It's so exciting. The birds are trying out their spring songs. So much has moved on in 1 week. I've been there being self-absorbed in bed. Nature hasn't waited for me, it's got on with things. Things have come up, everything's so different. Um, Sorry about that. I had a coughing fit. So, yeah, I'm just going to take a few more minutes to bask in the sunshine, and I can just feel myself being restored. It's not just the sunshine, it's not just that feeling that you get when you've been ill and you just go out, you get up and you think, yeah, nothing hurts, it's great. Yeah, there's all that, but it's more, it's being here, feeling the ground, seeing the sunlight, catching the little cobwebs, seeing the clouds scudding past in this bright blue sky, hearing the birds sing. It's all making me feel well again. It's wonderful. I can't express it, I hope you know what I mean.